Another amazing view. Look at that. Look on the screen. But yeah, and this thing got me up here and downhill, which is nice. So yeah, went a bit uphill and downhill. Now I'm just going down a place called Dark Lane, which does actually look quite dark because it's just another massive steep downhill. So hopefully I don't die. And yeah, I am now here after coming down a big hill that I didn't need to pedal down for a good few minutes. You can't really tell it now, but oh my god, you go fast. There we go. There's how much downhill it goes. And ooh, there's cows over there. I can't zoom in on this mode. Great. But yeah, there's a big downhill. Just come down it. Didn't need to pedal. And yeah, it's quite nice. I'm probably still sunburnt because it's quite hot now. And yeah, we're going down the hill to my house, which will be even better.